Okay, I've just had my eyebrows done. So my nails are done. It's already ready. Thank you. You're not excited? Thank you for the lift. I'm with Erin.
Hold up.
Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday. I'm heading into town with with absolutely no makeup on this morning because for the first time ever I'm going to get my brows done. I've decided I'm going to go to Benefit to get my eyebrows done, and yeah, I'm just going to get them dyed. I think they will want to wax them because they're really not that great, but I don't want to pay for them to be waxed, so I'm just going to get them to dye them. And then I'm going to go and get my nails done. I'm getting acrylic prom, but I had to have them done before I go on holiday because I literally get back the day before prom, so I wouldn't have had any time. So I'm going to get acrylics. I think I'm gonna get white and glittery, but yeah. And then Tom is going for a haircut, and after his haircut he is heading to Amsterdam with his friends on a lad's holiday. No, I'm joking. Are you excited?
I am, it should be good.
Are you excited to get a haircut?
Yeah, ma'am.
For this Saturday it's all holiday preparation for the both of us, although we're not going on holiday together.
For the both of us.
We're both going on girls/boys holidays.
I'm going away for a day, you're away for about a week.
No, I'm not. I'm away for 4 days and you're away for 2. Just doing like one of those day trippy, like time trippy things to Amsterdam.
Time trippy things.
Time trippy. So we're in Beverley. It's been so long since I've seen Beverley Market. If you're gonna come to Beverley and visit it, guys, come on a Saturday. It's like better. Okay, I've just had my eyebrows done. Right, okay.
Very red.
They're so red and they're very intense, but the guy was like, when you have a shower, the dye underneath your eyebrows will wash off. So it is darker, obviously, because I've literally just had them done. So by tomorrow they will be faded and my face will be less red. So for now I'm walking around with my shades on my eyes.
What did he mean about the spots? You know when he said like it could get spots?
Because my face is really inflamed. If you put makeup on top of it, it will just kind of like irritate my skin rather than like sit properly. So now I'm gonna go and get my nails done with a face that looks very red.
You're having a full like session today.
I am having a pump. I do.
You need to do my eyebrows.
You've had your hair done though.
My eyebrows?
Yeah, I do. I need to I'm very excited to see them after they've faded a little bit, because like right now my face is just kind of red, puffy, and they're very dark. Like, well, they're not dark, they're just bigger than I usually do them, but I think that's because the guy was like, he's so enthusiastic. When I had them done it was just kind of like
I might go home actually because I need to.
Yeah, but yeah, he was just like proper going for it, and I don't usually do my brows that thick, but I'm happy with them. Don't have to do them for a month. Went to Benefit and they did a fabulous job. So my nails are done. Now this isn't like my favorite colour, but it is what I needed to match my prom dress. It's white and kind of silvery white, like glittery. Now I'm waiting for my mum to drive down here to pick me up because I'm not walking because I'm lazy. Okay, I'm now home. My eyebrows look ridiculous, but the guy that did them did say when I have a shower, the dye that is left like above my actual eyebrow, so like this bit here, obviously isn't really where my brow is, so it's going to be like more there, and then when the hot water runs it'll kind of like rinse the dye out a bit. Nails are done. I really like these. Very prom-esque. But yeah, that is the nail I went for. It's kind of like white metallic. I actually really like them. They do match my dress perfectly. So now I'm just gonna make myself some lunch, and then I need to pack my suitcase, upload my vlog, edit my vlog, have a shower and wash my hair as I said, and then go to my friend Jenny's house. Me and Erin are staying at Jenny's tonight because Jenny's dad is taking us to the airport in the morning, so yeah. Okay guys, it is now 5 PM. My eyebrows still look ridiculous, and I'm about to go and have a shower, wash my hair, hopefully wash the eyebrows off a little bit, and then pack my suitcase. I'm leaving to go to Jenny's just after 7 o'clock I think, so everything I need to take with me is already ready. Like, I've already got everything out, I just need to put it in the suitcase. So I'm gonna go have a shower now. I just finished reading The Couple Next Door, which was the book I started reading literally yesterday, and I finished it today. It's like 350 pages, but oh my life, it was such an addictive read. Really good. I'm not a massive fan on the ending, but I really recommend reading it. It was like the most fast-paced book I've ever read, so I really recommend it if you want an easy read for the summer. Also, this top is linked below. I get a lot of questions every time I wear this. Obviously it's from Pretty Little Thing, but yeah, it's linked below if you're interested. Gonna wash my hair and then I'm gonna show you what I'm bringing on my holiday. Thank you. Yeah, that's decent. I got that. Oh, I can't remember if I vlogged since I got out of the shower, but I'm now out of the shower. My eyebrows have definitely died down a bit, which is really nice, but my face is even more red than ever. So I'm gonna begin packing. As I already mentioned, I have everything out already, so I'm gonna pack my part of the case, but the way we're doing it is me, Erin and Jenny are all just sharing the same suitcase. So that's kind of why we're staying over tonight, so we can pack a bit in advance so that we can get everything sorted, and then in the morning we can just leave. So I'm gonna pack my part of the suitcase and then go to Jenny's. So this is everything I have to put in the suitcase. I got a new bikini yesterday actually. I got this from H&M. I really like it. I'll probably show you that when we're there, so definitely keep an eye out for that vlog. But yeah, I think it was like £18 altogether or something. Yeah, it was like, this was £10 and this was, oh no, that was 15. Okay, it was £25, so quite a lot to be fair. Okay, so this is all my stuff. This suitcase is huge and I don't think my friends will bring as much stuff as me because I overpack to the max. So this is like a beach bag. I'm just probably gonna bring like everything I take out during the day in this, but then it's also really full. I know it's not that cute, but it is practical. And then everything else is pretty self-explanatory. I'm bringing this with a bikini. This one is actually from Bow Avenue. I really like this. This was a bit more expensive. I think that was about £40. Basically, I got it because I'm obsessed with purple. So yeah, that is everything. And then down here, I just have some toiletries, but obviously with the fact that I am staying over at Jenny's tonight, I can't really pack my toilet bag. Like, I'm going to put it in the suitcase, but obviously I'll need stuff out of it again, so yeah. Then it's all just the little things that I will forget, like jewellery, hair bubbles, everything that you tend to forget on a holiday. Deodorant is one thing I literally forget everywhere. I end up with so many little tiny things of deodorant because I buy them everywhere I go because I forget to take them. It's so annoying, but that is most of it. Okay, so I'm now packed. The suitcase is already heavy and I haven't even got to Jenny's house, and Erin and Jenny have yet to put their stuff in it, so that's great. And hand luggage wise, I'm bringing just like a backpack. No, not a backpack, I'm not bringing a backpack. A bag and then my laptop case, which I hope is okay. We're flying with Jet2 on this trip, so like usually they're pretty lenient. I'm sorry if you can hear my brother shouting. But yeah, usually they're pretty lenient on what you can take. Like, you can take a hand luggage and a laptop bag usually, I hope. So yeah, we're all checked in, we're ready to go, and I'm now gonna go to Jenny's house. So, are you excited? You're not excited?
I'm not going anywhere.
Look how tall I look. Oh my god. Oh, pop down. You're not going anywhere.
I wish I was going to Ibiza. I like Ibiza.
Not to go party though. Actually, you would like to go clubbing. You're secretly 18. So my dad is now driving me to Erin's. I'm actually meeting Erin there because she's driving herself, but she's not passed her test yet, so like I wasn't gonna go with her obviously. Wait, that sounds even worse. She's like having a mini driving lesson basically. But I'm gonna talk to my dad, you just can't see me, about when he went to Ibiza, because you went clubbing on a clubbing holiday when you were...
It was a 20s holiday. I don't even think they do them anymore. It's the equivalent of Club 1830. When I was 22.
22 and I'm 18.
Yeah.
You went for a week though, didn't you?
I did.
And didn't you come back with a chicken pox?
I took it with me and it all came out when I came back.
Oh god, that's so awful. I hope I don't come out with it. Well, I won't come out with the chicken pox obviously, but that's so not fun. You go on a lad's holiday and you get the chicken pox.
San Antonio.
That's where we're going. We're not staying in San Antonio though. Didn't you also hire a car and drive it around?
I had a Jeep.
Hired a Jeep?
For the day, like a Suzuki...
I drive a Suzuki.
A Suzuki convertible Jeep.
But that was quite fun.
Yeah, it was fun. We only did it for the day though.
We will not be hiring a Jeep. Me and Jenny haven't both been driving for even a year, so it's not legal.
Drove from one side of the island to another.
It's a really small island though, isn't it?
It is, and we stopped off at lots of little beaches.
Is that when you first discovered Callelonga?
Yes.
We used to go to Callelonga on holiday, guys, when I was like about 9 to 11. We went like every year for about, what, 3 years?
Yep.
Yeah, it's really nice. I wish I was going there. I haven't been since I was about 11, but we're not staying there. We're staying in Escana, so some of you guys might have heard of it. It is a holiday resort. It's like a beach resort, but I think it'll be quite quiet because it's not quite clubbing season yet. Like, we are quite early. I think in the next 2 weeks or so it'll really liven up, but I think we're quite early to the party, so hoping the hotel won't be really busy and filled with kids. I know that's awful because like I've only just stopped being a kid, but I just don't want it to be full of children. That's really mean, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you for the lift.
You're welcome. Have a good great... I'll say that again. Have a great time.
You tried.
Cut that out.
Okay, so we're now at Jenny's. We've been here for a while. To be honest, most of the time we were just packing the suitcase because we realised we'd fully overpacked. I'm with Erin and I'm also with Jenny. Just lounging. And we have the Love Island weekly hot list. Where is it? There it is. And we're just having a catch up because I haven't seen Erin especially in like a month.
I know.
Because of exams, literally a month. So yeah, we accidentally overpacked on the suitcase. No, you don't. None of us are looking our finest, but yeah, we finally sorted the suitcase out. I don't know how we managed to bring so much stuff for a trip that's literally like 3 days, but we managed it. So yeah, we had to distribute the weight, but it's all good. And now we're just having a catch up, and I need to edit this vlog as well. So so red in the face.
Give us crop.
I'm not cutting that out. Okay, well that was a nice reminisce of old times. Sounds so random out of context, but we are going to go to sleep now. It's about midnight. I don't really know how it got to midnight, to be honest. We are not getting up particularly early. The flight tomorrow is in the afternoon, so we're leaving at about 11 because we are flying from Manchester, and you guys know we do not live in Manchester. But yeah, that is basically the plan.
There is a Victoria's Secret in Manchester Airport,
Yes, there
so
is.
I'm going to need to spend some time there.
I'm quite excited for
For anybody
duty-free.
who's an OG vlog fan who's watched the ones where we've been shopping, you'll understand.
Erin's like obsessed.
You'll
I mean, we can
understand.
set off for like 8 if you want. Have a good old
We
shop.
do
You're
not need
alright.
4 hours in Victoria's Secret. Actually, Erin probably does. But
I
yeah.
have once spent
Jenny,
3
you
hours
haven't actually been in this vlog.
Because I look like a...
Here's Jenny. You look
I'm wearing
nice.
Christmas pyjamas.
That's fine. It's Christmas all year round in my head. Anyway, yeah, we are going to go. So if you have enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up.
Whenever you start ending it.
Because you're tired and you want to go to sleep. If you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. The proper Ibiza vlogs will start tomorrow. There will be like 4 pretty decent vlogs, I hope. Who knows? To Ibiza.
Yeah. These 3 girls will be like on it next time you see them.
Yeah, we will be. And the vlogs.
In like 2 days.
Yeah, I mean, I won't look glam tomorrow because I'm going to the airport, but yeah, it's going to be a good couple of days for the vlogs. I'm so excited to film it all. It'll be really nice to watch back. So, subscribe if you're not already because you're not going to want to miss
It's gonna be
it.
a wild time.
It's going to be a wild time.
Well, okay.
I'll get loads of clips of Molly.
You can film me if you want. Right, okay, I will see you all in the morning. Subscribe. And yeah, actually, when you're watching this, we're currently on the plane, so
Oh, that's scary.
yeah, it is, isn't it?
Send us good flying vibes and prayers, please. I don't really like flying.
Yeah, Erin's a bit nervous, but we're gonna be fine. It's gonna be good. Right, see you tomorrow. Bye.